In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change quantity on TradingView. Changing your order size is one of the simplest ways to control risk and fine-tune your trades, and TradingView makes it quick to do. Whether you're using the built-in paper trading account to practice or you're connected to a live broker, the process is the same, and you can follow along right on your chart. Start by opening the trade panel at the bottom of your chart. You'll see it labeled with paper trading if you're practicing, or with your broker's name if you're connected to a live account. This panel is your order ticket and activity hub, showing positions, orders, and the controls you need to place trades. If you don't see it, look toward the lower edge of the screen. It's anchored there beneath the chart area. With the trade panel open, click the unit field in the order ticket. Depending on the market, it may appear as units, QTY, or contracts, but it serves the same purpose. It defines how many shares, contracts, or coins you want to trade. When you click into that field, it becomes editable so you can set your preferred size. Now, type the new number you want. This number directly controls your exposure. For stocks, that's typically whole shares. For futures, it's contracts. For crypto, it may allow decimals if the exchange supports fractional amounts. Make sure the size aligns with your account's buying power, and any instrument-specific rules such as minimum order sizes or lot increments. A helpful habit is to think about the dollar risk before you type. Larger quantities amplify both gains and losses. TradingView usually remembers your last used size, so once you set it here, it becomes your default for the next order ticket you open. When you're ready, press Buy or confirm the order. On paper trading, clicking Buy sends a simulated order using the quantity you just entered so you can see how it behaves without real capital at risk. If you're connected to a broker, your platform will route the order and, depending on the integration, may show a brief confirmation or preview so you can verify the size before it's submitted. After you confirm, your order will appear in the trade panel's orders list, and filled orders will display on the chart so you can track them visually. That's all there is to it. Open the trade panel, click the unit field, type your new number, and press Buy or confirm the order. With this simple workflow, you can quickly adjust position size and keep your trading aligned with your plan.